Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a shrimp trap using a plastic bottle. First, gather your materials. A clean 2-liter plastic bottle, a sharp pair of scissors or a utility knife, and some strong string or fishing line. You'll also need bait, such as small pieces of fish or cat food, to attract the shrimp. Ensure your bottle is thoroughly cleaned before you begin this fun project. Now, carefully cut the top 1/3 of your plastic bottle. Make sure the cut is clean and even around the circumference. Next, take this cut-off top section and invert it, pushing it down into the main body of the bottle. It should fit snugly, creating a funnel-like entrance for the shrimp. This design makes it easy for shrimp to enter but difficult to exit. Once the funnel is in place, secure it firmly using staples or strong, waterproof tape around the edges. This prevents the funnel from dislodging when the trap is submerged. Then, place your bait, like a few small pieces of fish or some cat food, into the bottom of the trap. Finally, attach a sturdy string or fishing line to the bottle's neck, ensuring it's long enough to reach the water's surface. With your trap assembled and baited, it's time for deployment. Carefully lower your shrimp trap into shallow water, ideally near rocks or vegetation where shrimp tend to hide. Leave it for a few hours, or even overnight, before checking for your catch. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy the thrill of catching your own fresh shrimp with this simple, effective trap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.